So we're going to do interval notation, set builder notation. I need to look at the homework to see what all they have there. Domain, remember, is your collection of x's. So you ask how far left, how far right. How far left does it go on this first one? -2. How far right does it go? 1. And then those are closed circles, it looks like. So it's going to be closed braces there. So -2 to 1. Range deals with y. So it's how far down to how far up. How far down does it go? 0. Good. How far up does it go? 3. And there's closed circles. I'm going to do set builder at the end. I'll do set builder at the end. I need to look and see if that's on the homework. Set builder is a little bit of a pain. Some call it set notation. All right. On the next one, how far left does it go? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What's wrong with that? That's an open circle. That's a parenthesis. Dadgummit. Good catch. -3. How far right does it go? 2. Y'all see that mistake? Don't be like me. It's a parenthesis because it's open because it's not including. Doesn't include -3. Let's go look at the homework real quick and see about set builder. How much set builder there is in here. I don't know if I required any set builder. It doesn't look like I required any set builder notation, so we might just go over that for fun. Range, how far down does it go? 1, how far up? But 1's the open circle, so it's going to be that. Okay. So domain, how far left does it go on this one? -2, how far right does it go? 1, and then 1 is not included, so it's going to be a brace or a parenthesis. Okay. All right, range, how far down does it go? 1, how far up does it go? 5. Kind of light work here. Next one, that's an arrow there. How far left does it go? -infinity. How far right does it go? 4. Range, how far down does it go? 0. How far up does it go? Infinity. You'll get there eventually. It's just take it a while. Oh, this one stresses me out. On E, this is a step function. How far left does this go? 1. How far right does it go? 4, but 4's. And range, what I would do is I would do the bracket because it's finite values, so it's just 1, 2, and 3. Do like that. Okay, like it's 1, 2, and 3. Like it's not. Interval implies it's every value between 1 and 4. This implies that it would just be just those values alone. All right. We'll pause right here. It does not appear you got to know set builder. I will go over set builder, but if you don't get it, I don't care that much. But so set builder domain, if it's between two numbers, you're going to write x such that. Actually, for all these, domain is x, a bracket x, and then this vertical segment means such that. Range is y such that. So it'll be like that for each one. If you don't get this, it's not going to matter. I try to keep mostly interval notation on there. If there is one, I apologize. I just went through and scanned through the homework. I didn't see any, but y such that, I tried to keep it simple. And I'm going to double check. I don't think I threw anything like this in a test either, so. No, it's interval notation. Interval notation. You're not going to know this. Now, I'm going to make a compound inequality for this. So it's x such that it's between negative. It's not that y'all can't do this. It's just, it's a lot. So it's just going to make a compound inequality. It's between -2 and 1. So it's bigger than -2 and then less than or equal to 1. And it's got the equal to. This one's between 0 and 3. So it'd be 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 3. Okay. Okay. Domain, this between -3 and 2. So I'm going to put like this, but except for no equal to on that side. And range 1 less than y less than or equal to 2. Okay. This is between -2 and 1, so it's -2 less than or equal to x less than 1. This is between 1 and 5, so 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 5. A little different on this. So this one's going to be a one-sided inequality. So from -infinity to 4, that's going to be x is less than or equal to 4. So from -infinity to 4, if x is less than or equal to 4, it's in that interval there. This is 0 and above, so it'd be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So if infinity's on one of the ends, then you're going to have a one-sided inequality like that. This one's between 1 and 4, so 1's less than or equal to x less than 4. And this one's such that y equals 1, 2, 3. You're not, as I said, you're not going to have to know how to do the set builder stuff. So